A job is only done when it's done right. And when it comes to ADAS, accuracy matters. Hunter's Ultimate ADAS is engineered to match exactly what OEMs intend for their safety systems. That's why, for shops serious about doing confident work correctly, approvals matter more than assumptions. What Ultimate ADAS does. Ultimate ADAS helps technicians get calibration targets in the right place accurately and consistently when sensors need to be recalibrated. That can happen after a collision, after replacing a component, or any time sensor locations change. Radar, cameras, and LiDAR systems need to know exactly where they are on the vehicle. If that's off, even by a few millimeters, the system can't see right, which means it can't perform as designed. Traditional methods for placing those targets rely on tape measures, chalk lines, and a lot of experience. That takes time, it's tedious, and it's prone to small mistakes that can have big consequences. Ultimate ADAS uses built-in sensing and computing to guide the technician. This speeds setup and improves placement accuracy, so calibrations happen right the first time. Why ADAS matters for safety. ADAS isn't convenience technology, it's safety technology with a measurable impact on real-world crashes. Vehicle collisions are a leading cause of injuries and fatalities, with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration reporting roughly 40,000 crash-related deaths for both 2023 and 2024. But technology can help. According to the NHTSA's Partnership for Analytics Research in Traffic Safety, or PARTS data, systems like automatic emergency braking and forward collision warning cut front-to-rear crashes by 49% compared to vehicles without them. That is why proper calibration is not optional. It's critical to those safety gains. Why OEM approval matters. So why does Hunter pursue approval from the manufacturers themselves? OEMs design these ADAS systems. They define how the sensor should behave, how they respond in the field, and how the vehicle interprets that sensor data. They test, validate, and document performance with meticulous engineering. In other words, OEMs own these systems. When Hunter builds Ultimate ADAS, it uses the OEM's own published service specs as the baseline. But interpreting a spec is one thing. Confirming that execution matches the OEM's intent is another. That's where approval comes in. By seeking OEM approval, Hunter proves that Ultimate ADAS is calibrated the way the manufacturer intends, not just approximated. That validation gives shops confidence that they're doing the job the right way, backed by the same standards used by dealers and collision networks. OEM calibration and tool evaluation. Getting those approvals isn't a one-and-done checkbox. It's a continuous dialogue. Working directly with OEMs during approval testing surfaces new procedures early, so Hunter can support them sooner. It also gives OEMs real service environment feedback, which helps refine methods and tool instructions in the field. That early alignment benefits both sides and helps shops stay ahead of new calibration requirements. Approvals and coverage. Today, Hunter doesn't just chase approvals as a badge, the company has earned them from major manufacturers including Honda, Toyota, Kia, Subaru, and Nissan. Covering an estimated 97% of the top 50 selling vehicles in operation in North America since 2015. And that list continues to grow. Hunter is actively engaged in approval testing with additional OEMs and plans to maintain this strategy as new ADAS technologies and calibration procedures emerge. Want to get started with Hunter's OEM-approved ADAS tools? Reach out to your local Hunter team today to find solutions that are the right fit for your shop. Thanks for watching.